Transferring money from Abra to Gcash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To transfer money from Abra to Gcash, you need to follow these steps. Firstly, launch the Abra mobile application on your device. Make sure you have enough funds in your Abra wallet for the transfer. Then, check if Abra allows direct transfers to Gcash. Now, in Abra, look for a feature or option to link your Gcash account. This is typically done in the app's settings or profile section. After that, navigate to the transfer or send money section within the Abra app. Here, choose Gcash as the recipient or destination for your transfer. Now input the required details, such as the amount you want to transfer and any other necessary information. Next, double-check the transaction details to ensure accuracy. After that, confirm the transfer. Some platforms may require an additional layer of security, such as a one-time password or OTP, or a personal identification number, such as PIN. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Once the transfer is initiated, wait for confirmation from Abra. Lastly, log in to your cash account to confirm that the funds have been successfully transferred.